Welcome to Epic Compare. In this video, we'll take you on a journey through the stunning world of Geosphere houses, showcasing their beauty, innovation, and connection to nature. Watch until the end for all the inspiring details, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing content. One of the most enchanting features of Geosphere houses is how effortlessly they blend with their surroundings. Large glass panels flood the interior with natural light, offering breathtaking views of rolling hills, serene lakes, or vibrant orchards. The minimalist design feels modern yet calming, creating a space that is both inviting and inspiring. These homes are a perfect union of art and nature. Geosphere houses are transforming the travel experience with their futuristic design and seamless blend with nature. Placed in stunning locations like riversides or cliffside meadows, these homes offer a unique escape. Perfect for eco-resorts or glamping sites, they provide visitors with a luxurious yet grounded way to connect with the outdoors. These architectural wonders make every stay feel like a dream come true. The design of Geosphere houses is more than eye-catching. It's incredibly practical. Their spherical structure is naturally strong, evenly distributing weight to withstand harsh weather like strong winds or heavy snow. The compact shape reduces heat loss, making them energy efficient and cost-effective. With sustainable materials and cutting-edge techniques, Geosphere homes promise durability and eco-friendliness in one elegant package. Building a Geosphere house isn't without its hurdles. The unique shape requires specialized construction methods, often making them more expensive to build. Inside, the curved walls can limit traditional furniture layouts, encouraging creative interior design solutions. Additionally, not all areas permit such innovative structures, which can mean extra paperwork and planning. Overcoming these obstacles, however, leads to truly remarkable results. Sustainability is at the heart of Geosphere houses. Their energy-efficient design pairs perfectly with green technologies like solar panels and rainwater harvesting systems. These features not only reduce their environmental impact, but also make them ideal for off-grid living. As eco-conscious lifestyles grow in popularity, Geosphere houses are becoming a symbol of responsible and sustainable living. Geosphere houses redefine what a home can be, offering a fresh perspective on design and sustainability. They challenge traditional ideas of living and interacting with the environment. Whether as private retreats, tourist destinations, or community spaces, these homes push the boundaries of design and functionality. Geosphere houses remind us that architecture can be beautiful, practical, and sustainable all at once. You've experienced the magic, now stay with us. Hit subscribe and be part of the Epic Compare community for more incredible videos. Now like this video and share it on social media to motivate our channel to produce more high-quality content.